In this video today, we're going to be removing the bumper on this Ford Transit. If you need to see how to remove the headlights or any other Ford Transit repair videos, do check it out. I've got a Ford Transit playlist on my channel, and I've also got a review video on this particular motorhome. So this is the Kea Dreamtime. Stay tuned for that. This one's coming, but I've got one on an Endeavour. So do check that out, YouTube Auto Body NZ. And I've got a Ford Transit playlist, which will be down in the description below, and also a camper review playlist showing the exact layout of these NZ built motorhomes. So come in and I'll show you how we'll remove the bumper. So the tools you require, I highly recommend having a Torx bit set similar to this. We need all sorts of Torx bits from T30s, T40s, T50s. I always like to have a small ratchet set, a larger one as well with different socket sizes. And a power tool normally makes life a lot easier, and it's a lot quicker to remove the bolts. We've just come underneath the vehicle now, and I just thought I'd show you. Those are the bolts that you need to remove on either side for the bumper that's holding it in place. So there was 2 on the passenger side, and you have 2 on the driver's side, just at the top there. Once you remove that, then you've got your Torx bolts on here as well. On the top here, a couple of plastic clips with Phillips screws on it. So for these top bolts over here, you need a T30 Torx. Okay, tight in place like so. Just use some lubricant because they do get stuck in place over time. And that's a little trick I can give you. That one was perfect. And for the bottom one, we'll go ahead and use a T40 Torx. That's what these look like. And then we have 2 more down the bottom. So we have 2 more bolts where the step is, where you can wash your windscreen. One there and one down there as well. We'll go ahead and remove that. That's the same T40. That's the 2 bolts from there. That's one. And the second one. I'll go ahead and do the same on the other side. So those are the 2 bolts. Now with all the bolts removed, we'll go ahead and remove the bumper. You have to clip it out from both sides. So as you saw, so it was not necessary to remove these 2 side bolts. I'll go ahead and reinstall those screws here, the Torx T20s on that side and that side, but we have to remove the 2 10s on either side here. So if anyone needs to know how many bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 plus the 2 on the top here. So you've got 12 in total that you have to take off. And that's how you remove the bumper on a Ford Transit. So stay tuned, I've got plenty more videos on this particular vehicle. So be sure to check out all my Ford Transit playlist of all the repair videos and the review videos on these particular vehicles. And I've also covered a lot of hidden things and a lot of problems that people encounter with these particular vehicles. So do check that out. All of it's listed on my YouTube channel. Just go to my Ford Transit playlist or just check out any of my videos. And make sure you do like and subscribe so that it helps us grow the channel. Thanks for watching, everyone. See ya.